Hi, this is Best India Reviews. Quick, honest reviews to help you choose the right product every time. Let's begin.
In this video, we will share the best cordless phone with headset jack you can buy in India. Before we begin, please subscribe to our channel and support us for more helpful videos. We will start from the last pick and move up to the best one. Please check the video description for the product links and latest prices. We have analyzed and compared many cordless phone with headset jack and picked these top options for you based on our research and analysis. In this video, we have highlighted the key features and benefits of each cordless phone with headset jack so you can easily compare them and choose the one that suits your needs. To know the product price details, please see the video description. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Let's discuss what to consider when buying a cordless phone with headset jack. First, focus on sound quality because clear audio is essential for everyday calls. Look for models with noise reduction and interference-free performance for better communication. Second, check the range and battery life to ensure the phone stays connected and lasts through long conversations. A reliable range and long battery life make daily use convenient. Third, make sure the headset jack is compatible with standard 2.5mm or 3.5mm connectors, depending on your preferred headset type. Also, consider design comfort, easy-to-read display, and user-friendly buttons for effortless operation. Finally, review extra features such as call blocking, caller ID, or answering machine functions to add value and convenience. These factors together help you choose a cordless phone that fits your lifestyle and communication needs. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tech videos.